Hello everyone, welcome back to Gauri Ram's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Matar Gosht. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now let's start making the recipe. Take 1 cup of capsicum, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup of peas and 1 cup mint leaves. Take 15 pieces of garlic, small piece of ginger and 2 green chilies. Make them to a fine paste. And also 4 tomatoes. I have made them to fine puree. Next we are going to have half coconut, 1 teaspoon pepper, cloves 2 and a small piece of cinnamon. I have grinded all these ingredients together. Now let's start making the dish. Keep a kadai. Put little oil into it. When the oil is hot, add the onions. Fry it well until it becomes transparent. Now let's add pudina leaves. Next we are going to add green peas, capsicum and saute it well until the raw smell of capsicum and peas is gone. Next we are going to add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Fry the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell is gone. Now let's add tomato puree and add salt, turmeric powder half teaspoon and 1 teaspoon chili powder. The taste of this recipe depends on the time you spend on sorting the ingredients in oil. Saute it well. Now let's add the coconut masala paste. After adding it, mix it well along with the other ingredients and similarly you have to fry it well for 5 to 10 minutes. Only then the taste of this dish will enhance. After doing like this for 5 to 10 minutes, we should add the mutton. I have cooked mutton by adding required amount of salt and turmeric powder. Now let's add the masala paste along with the mutton cooked. You can have this as it is after mixing it, just like mutton curry. But today I am going to have it like a semi gravy form. So stir it continuously for 5 to 10 minutes. Now our Matar Gosht is ready. Just garnish it with coriander leaves. Can serve this recipe. It tastes very delicious. Please try it at home and post your valuable comments. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.